Hello, hello. Today we are going to be doing the bloom technique again. So I let you guys vote on a color palette and you guys picked purples, greens, and silver. So I have these already mixed up. I just mixed them up. It takes a while. So my purples today are Prism Violet and Sweet Thistle. My greens are Liquitex Basics, Light Green Permanent, Arteza's Phtalo Green, and Primary Element Douglas Fir. And then I have the Arteza Silver. And I have made up 2 different toppers to try on tiles, and then that's what we're going to do today. And then I'm going to get some canvases and do bigger ones. So just want to play around with the different layering it differently and doing it with the white, which is the Amsterdam titanium, and the black that is the Amsterdam Oxide black. So there we go. Let me just get this out of the way and we will get going. So we're going to start by doing a couple of tiles. I had kind of put this off. It's been a couple weeks since I took that survey for the color palettes, but I had ordered some purple paint that I was so excited about from Michael's, and then it got delayed. So I kept waiting and waiting, and it still hasn't gotten here. So I'm giving up, which means it'll probably arrive later today. Who knows? It's just the irony of it sometimes. All right, let me grab the pillow paint. I'll be right back. All right, I was gone longer than you think I was. So I got the pillow paint and I put it down and spread it out and looked down and had knocked over this beautiful Prism Violet. Had gone everywhere. I knocked it over when I put this container up on the table. And so I had to remake it. So there you go. Just so y'all know all the drama that went on behind the scenes. So anyway, all right, let's get going. I'm going to start with this darkest green, the Phtalo green. So, wow, it's been a little while since I did some blooms. Did a whole bunch in a row, and then the coronavirus quarantine kind of got to me and was having a hard time feeling motivated. And then I started doing some resin stuff. But I've been wanting to get back to the blooms, so here I am. This is the Primary Element one. This is a Douglas Fir, and I don't think I've used this one before. It was still sealed, so don't know how I missed it. Probably because I don't embrace green enough. So in the next few videos, I will be embracing green because we're doing purple and green, and we're going to try it in different orders and different amounts. So we're going to have some fun with green and purple and silver. I really appreciate y'all voting because it really helps me. I want to know what y'all want to see because I get stuck sometimes on certain color palettes. You know, I'll do ocean scenes forever and a day. Okay. Oh, didn't use silver. Let's do the silver. All right, I think I'm going to jump right to doing the black this time. How about that? This is the black topper, and it is just mixed with the floetrol and water, and then 4 drops of the Minwax pre-wood conditioner. So let's just try it and see how it works. I have used the black in the past, but it's been a while, so it's nice to get back to it. All right, we're gonna blow it out, kind of just stretching it out a little bit at first and then more and more. And then I like to go toward my corners. It's kind of gliding it over the paint. All right, there we go. We're gonna let it sit for a minute, rise back up, and then we will spin it out. All right, let's get this spun out. I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer. There you go. So I'm going both directions at first. Usually go clockwise a couple times first, and then I go counterclockwise a couple times. And then I switch it up. Just switch it back and forth. Cool. Yeah, so I had switched, I had this press and seal, I put clean down, and so I've started cutting off a round piece of parchment paper to use on top of that, because then I can just switch that out. So I'll probably do a couple tiles with this one piece of parchment paper, or maybe like 4, multiple tiles. And then when I'm going to put down a canvas, then I'll put down a fresh piece of parchment. That way it doesn't get all this other paint on the back of the canvas. Just minimize the waste, but also minimize the mess. All right, I think that one is done. It's really pretty. So I'm going to move it off to the side, and we will do another one. All right, we're ready to put down our petal. Still a couple of bubbles. I thought I had them all. I'm going to put the screen down first. This is the light green permanent hue by Liquitex Basics. Put a little bit of phthalo. I'm going to use the white topper this time. I think I'll do the silver next. Now the purples. This is the Prism Violet from Liquitex Basics. And this is the Sweet Thistle from Primary Elements. All right, let's try the white this time. I'm gonna pick up the whole thing. All right. Doing more blowouts this time. I did 4 last time, and now I'm gonna do 6 this time. Or 7, whatever, or 8. There we go. Guess I was having too much fun. Just couldn't stop. Wow. Look at all that green action going on there. All right, we're going to give it a couple minutes to rise back up. Be right back. Okay. We have not even spun it yet, and it already looks absolutely gorgeous. How about that? But we'll spin it a little bit. Well, that is really pretty. I like that it still has a little bit of white on the corners, so I'm going to leave it right there. That is really pretty. I will bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so this time I want the purple to be a little more prominent, so we will put that down first. Should have made up more of this. Didn't realize I wasn't making up that much. I've made up a lot of the green. The primary elements sometimes trick me, and I think I'm getting more than I'm getting. All right. Now let's see. Silver on top. I'll do white again. Maybe we'll do black next. All right. I like picking up the whole thing. I just did it on the one before this and it really worked out. So then trying to get through all this paint. All right. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna let it rise back up to the top and see where we're at. All right, let's spin it out. Cannot help notice the green is still prominent. And I use more of the purple than I use of the green. Which there's 3 greens, but I still used a lot less of the paint. So I think the green's just dominating. So the purple is coming through this time. It was mostly green on the other one, which is still really, really pretty, but you know, like to play around. All right, a little bit more. All right, I think it's done. I like this white corner. So I particularly like how this petal here looks in this area here. So pretty. All right, I'm probably gonna do one more. All right, let's do the final one. I think I'm gonna put the silver down first. Haven't done that. I think I'm going to do 2 layers of purple this time because I want it to be very prominent. So and I'm just going to use this green and the primary element green. Then I'm going to put a little more purple down. There. I think I want to do this one with black. See a couple bubbles. I'm going to pop those while I'm here. There we go. All right. Okay. Okay. I was wondering how I got paint on my chest. It's because I have this thing up and it touched my chest with the paint on the edge. I was like, how on earth did I get paint on my upper chest? That's so weird. Okay, there we go. Just gonna give it a few minutes to rise up, then we will spin it out. All right, looking pretty good. Very lots of cell action. All right, spin it out. Well, the green is definitely not prominent on this one. The purple, but it does run throughout, so that's nice. Purple's definitely, purple and black. Black is really prominent too. All right, so fun, so fun, so fun. All right, should I do it one more time, or are we done? I think we're done. All right. Looks good. Let me bring you in for a close-up on all four. All right, they are on the drying racks. Here they are. We did 4 tiles. Here's the first one we did. We did this with a black topper. Very, very cool cells. Lots of fun with that one. Then the second one we did was with a white topper. The green's very, very prominent on this, but it's very pretty. Lots of really great cell action. Very pretty. All right, so then the third one that we did is right here. On camera, it looks kind of pink, but it's not. It's still purple. I don't know why it's showing up pink. So we did the white topper also. Lots of pretty areas here. All right, we are back into the blooms. When I take a break, it's just like, I just need a break. Okay, here's the fourth one, and it has the black topper. When I need a break, I just need a break, and then when I do it again, I fall in love all over again. So here they are. I'm gonna go ahead and post this video so you can see the dried results on the next video, which is going to be this same color palette, and we are going to do it on a canvas. I think I'm gonna do one big bloom on a canvas. So we will spin it out and see how it turns out. So that will be coming right up, and the dried results of these, because they dry pretty much the way you see them. So that will be on that next video. Thanks guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.